guys, so I planted some cucumbers right here, and I'm gonna plant some, I haven't gotten to it yet, but I'm gonna plant some carrots on that bed. All right guys, in this bed right here, I'm gonna plant carrots. I'm gonna do this Cosmic Purple, Belgium 2. So excited about these purple carrots. Peas. I did some lettuce right here. I have 2 types of arugula. This is Big Boston lettuce. That is going to be in the 3rd row. Next, I'm going to do some Merlot lettuce. I'm gonna do my head lettuce. Sorry, my romaine lettuce over here. Last row. Alright guys, that is going to be garden planting for the day. Hey guys, I'm going to be putting out some mosquito eradicator. Every year since we've been at this property, we have been using mosquito eradicators. They're supposed to do 1 acre. We have a large area that we need to cover for mosquitoes. And so we put 2 out at 1 location. They're super easy to install. I'm going to show you. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take these 2 bad boys out. You can see here there's some stuff in it. Okay? And then it comes with a little thing that you twist on top of it, as well as some hooks. We normally use the black ones. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the little white lid off and you're going to fill it up to there according to the instructions. I'm going to put the white caps on real quick just to give these up a good shake up. Alright, so once those have been stirred, shaken up, we're going to put these black lids on it. There's holes on there so that the mosquitoes can get in. Okay. And you just hook those on like that. Alright, let's go put these bad boys out. Alright, as you can see, this is where we had them last year, and we're going to put them in the same spot because it seems to do a really good job. Alright, you can see how dark and yucky that is compared to the new one we're going to be putting out. See, there's the water line. Okay, You can see it's got a whole bunch of mosquitoes in there at the bottom. That one's got more. All right, there's two. Let's put the other two on the tree on the other side. Now they say that you do not want to hang these underneath an awning. Okay, so you want to hang them on a tree away from the house. It does like a radius area of about an acre. Our front area where the house is about 2 acres, and it goes into the garden area, which is right here. So it really helps to keep the mosquitoes away when I'm gardening as well. So that's always a plus. Now let's go hang up the other two. Here's the other two.
I want to get them.
Here. Get one, Jade. Get one. There you go. Teamwork.
How do I do it? Oh.
Hey now, don't do that.
You put it all
Alright,
over
we're gonna put
me.
it right here.
Woo! That still has some in it.
Yeah.
You put it all over me.
Well,
My bad.
okay. Alright. And
Ooh,
there
we can climb the tree now, Jaden.
is the other two. Then the house is behind you, and it's got the circular radius. There we go. I'm looking for the word for it. So it's going to overlap the house area, because that's where we do most of our hanging out, in the afternoon when we just want to sit outside and chill. And it also covers the chicken area and the front. So it just covers pretty much the whole front and backyard, and that's what we want. And a little bit of the pasture, and of course the garden too. So we have been using this product for at least 3 years. This is our 3rd year using it, and it works amazing. And I would totally recommend this for anybody. And this is not, what's that word called? We're not sponsored.
Yep.
Yeah, we're not sponsored by them. We just really love this product. And I know there is ways that you can do it that you don't have to buy this product, but if you don't have the means to do it, by all means, this is a fantastic product, and I definitely recommend it. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk to you guys later.
Comment, subscribe.